Hey guys, what's up? So this is my first ever vlog ever. So right now you can see this part of a Mazda RX-7 split out from Fast and the Furious because this is an LC car of it though. So today I'm going to be drifting around laps. I'm going to be drifting in it inside my house. Okay guys, I'm going to do it. So to have that box down and crash, it doesn't do damage to the wall. Mistake, guys. We're gonna try Okay, guys. Wasn't that a smooth one? Okay guys, just gotta get straight enough. Oopsies, just gotta try again. Oopsies, accidentally bumped, guys. Oh shoot, guys, I am so sorry, guys. This is the car that has been drifting. Let me just put it back on, guys. I'm so sorry that happened. Boom. Just get it like a good view for y'all. Oh, dang it, guys. Mistakes like always. Oh, let me fix the camera. Okay, I think y'all, Cool Legends. Okay, you guys can see that. You guys can see it now. Oh, lost control. Almost crashed though. Oh, okay, let me just fix the camera. Pretty good. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, and I love y'all, Cool Legends. Enjoy again. Make sure to tap on my YouTube channel to stay tuned for the next one. Love you, Cool Legends. Bye.